Today we're going to conjugate a verb into 8 different tenses. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is me, Sara. On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language. I have done masters in physiology, so I'm basically a physiologist. But in 2017, I've started teaching languages. And on this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language. I've been making free Urdu grammar videos for over 2 years. So you'll find over 100 videos on this channel. If you go to the playlist, you'll find my grammar videos, postposition, Urdu through movies and dramas, etc. Today is going to be a short Urdu lesson, something that I've been doing with some of my students in the past few weeks. So what I'll do is I'll take a verb. For example, today we're going to take a verb jana. And then we're going to conjugate it into 8 different tenses. I made detailed videos on each of these tenses on this playlist, so if you don't understand something, go watch the original video. Now, so what we're going to do is the first tense is going to be the present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to kind of indicate routines and habits. It's also called present habitual tense. So, for example, someone asking you, what do you do? You're saying, oh, I'm an engineer. That is the present simple tense. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 in the morning. That is the present simple tense. So, any fact, routine, habit is present simple tense. So, jana is our verb. We're going to make it into present simple tense. We're going to put a suffix with the verbal stem, ja. जाती मैं जाती हूँ मैं जाती हूँ that is for a female मैं जाती हूँ for men it would be मैं जाता हूँ मैं जाता हूँ I go for example I go to the gym every day मैं gym जाता हूँ मैं gym जाता हूँ I go to the gym I go to the gym every day. Every day is har din. Every is har, din is day. And you can put it anywhere in the sentence. मैं हर दिन gym जाता हूँ. The verb is always going to be in the end, right? So, हूँ and जाता is the verb. And that's going to be in the end. मैं हर दिन gym जाता हूँ. If you're talking about, suppose, a specific day of the week, that is Monday, and Monday is Peer, and on Monday is Peer ko. Peer ko. You can say, मैं Peer को gym जाता हूँ. मैं Peer को gym जाता हूँ. I go to the gym on Monday. You can put peer ko in the beginning of the sentence as well. You can say peer ko मैं gym जाता हूँ. Peer को मैं gym जाता हूँ. If you're female, you'll say peer को मैं gym जाती हूँ. And if you're talking about someone else, another man, you'll say peer को वो gym जाते हैं. Peer को वो gym जाते हैं. और वो पीर को जिम जाते हैं. He goes to the gym on Monday. This sentence is a bit more respectful. For a female, it will be पीर को वो जिम जाती है. पीर को वो जिम जाती है. पीर को वो जिम जाती है. Excuse my voice, I had a fever and flu in the last week. Now we're going to move to the second tense, that is the past habitual tense. A past habitual tense, what do you think it is about? Past habitual. Well, the second word is habitual, that means a habit, something that is habitual. But the past is implying that it is in the past. So something that was habitual in the past. So something that you used to do in the past. Suppose you used to hike a year ago. Now you find more pleasure in cycling because it's easy on the knees. Suppose you used to go to the gym, but now you don't really go to the gym anymore. So for that, you can say मैं जाती थी. So it's very much like the present simple, right? The same suffix ti is going to be with ja. मैं जाती. So up till this point, it's the same as the present simple tense. But instead of who, we are putting the past element. We are putting thi. Thi is the past element. That means was. So मैं जाती थी. That means I used to go. I used to go. मैं जाती थी. मैं gym जाती थी. I used to go to the gym. मैं gym जाती थी. मैं जिम जाती थी. For men, मैं जिम जाता था. मैं जिम जाता था. I used to go to the gym. पहले मैं जिम जाता था. पहले मैं जिम जाता था. हर साल दुबई जाता था. हर साल means every year. हर means every. साल means year. So मैं हर साल दुबई जाता था. वो सिंगापुर जाते थे. वो सिंगापुर जाते थे. He used to go to Singapore. वो सिंगापुर जाते थे. He used to go to Singapore every year. हर साल. वो हर साल सिंगापुर जाते थे. पहले हम हर साल पाकिस्तान जाते थे. पहले means before, हम means we. पहले हम हर साल पाकिस्तान जाते थे. पहले हम हर साल पाकिस्तान जाते थे. और पहले वो हर साल न्यूयॉर्क जाती थी. पहले वो हर साल न्यूयॉर्क जाती थी. Before she used to go to New York every year. पहले वो हर साल न्यूयॉर्क जाती थी. The next tense is the present continuous tense. The suffix for it is rahi and raha. So जा रही, जा रहा. मैं जा रही हूँ. I am going. So something, an action that you're doing at the moment, it's a progressive action or something you'll probably do in few hours. For example, आज मैं पार्क जा रही हूँ. Today I'm going to a park. आज मैं पार्क जा रही हूँ. आज मैं मॉल जा रही हूँ. आज मैं मॉल जा रही हूँ. वो मॉल जा रहा है. वो मॉल जा रहा है. वो घर जा रहा है. घर means house or home. वो घर जा रहा है. He's going home or he's going to the house. वो दूसरे मुल्क जा रहे हैं. वो दूसरे मुल्क, दूसरे means another, मुल्क is country, a different country. He's going to a different country. वो दूसरे मुल्क जा रहे हैं. वो दूसरे मुल्क जा रहे हैं. वो ऑफिस जा रही है. वो ऑफिस जा रही है. She is going to the office. वो ऑफिस जा रही है. Now the other tense that we're gonna discuss is similar to the present continuous tense, but it's the past continuous tense. So past continuous tense is very similar to the present continuous, right? But instead of who, you will say thi or tha, just like the past habitual tense. So past continuous is something you have been doing. So I was eating, I have been eating, or I was working, like something you're doing before the present moment. I was going to the beach. मैं जा रही थी. मैं जा रही थी. I was going. मैं जा रही थी. मैं बीच जा रही थी. I was going to the beach. मैं बीच जा रही थी. मैं इंडिया जा रहा था. मैं इंडिया जा रहा था. मैं इंडिया जा रहा था. I was going to India. but then because of COVID, I didn't go. वो सोने जा रहे थे. वो सोने जा रहे थे. He was going to sleep. He's going in order to sleep. सोना is to sleep. वो सोने जा रहे थे. He is going to sleep. वो खाने के लिए जा रही थी. वो खाने के लिए जा रही थी. She was going in order to eat. वो काम के लिए जा रही थी. She was going for work. वो काम के लिए जा रही थी. वो काम के लिए जा रही थी. Now our next tense is the future tense. In the future tense, the suffix is unga or ungi for unga for men and ungi for female. So ja is our verbal stem, and putting ungi with it, jaungi, is will go. मैं जाऊंगी. मैं मॉल जाऊंगी. मैं बाजार जाऊंगी. मैं बैंक जाऊंगी. आज मैं बैंक जाऊंगी. कल मैं दफ्तर नहीं जाऊंगा. कल means tomorrow. मैं means I. दफ्तर is office. नहीं means no or not. जाऊंगा is will go. So I'll not go to the office tomorrow. मैं कल दफ्तर नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं कल दफ्तर नहीं जाऊंगा. For other people, the suffixes are inge and ingi. So जाएंगे, जाएंगी. अगले साल वो अमेरिका जाएंगी. अगले साल means next year. अगले साल वो अमेरिका जाएंगी. वो means she. जाएंगी will go. She'll go to America next year. अगले हफ्ते मैं मैक्सिको जाऊंगा. अगले हफ्ते वो मैक्सिको जाएंगे. अगले हफ्ते next week वो he or they मैक्सिको जाएंगे. will go to Mexico. अगले हफ्ते वो मैक्सिको जाएंगे. They'll go or he'll go to Mexico next week. Now our next tense is past simple tense. In the past simple tense, if it's an intransitive verb, the suffix will depend on the subject. So e for female and a for men, or ya for men. So here ja is the verbal stem, but in the past tense it becomes ga. So the verbal stem changes from ja to ga. And for female it's gai, and for men it's gaya. मैं काम पर गया. I went for work, or I went to work. मैं काम पर गया. मैं काम पर गई. I went to work. कल मैं बेकरी गई. I went to the bakery. कल मैं पार्क गया. I went to the park yesterday. मैं माँ बाप के घर गया. मैं माँ बाप के घर गया. Parents' house. So K here is apostrophe S. Parents' house is माँ बाप के घर. कल मैं माँ बाप के घर गया. वो वापस अमेरिका गई. वो वापस अमेरिका गई. She went to America. She returned to America. वापस जाना is to return. वो वापस अमेरिका गई. वो वापस घर गया. He went home. वो वापस घर गया. Next tense is the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is an action that happened in the past but still is irrelevant in the present. So I have been to the cinema, or I've gone to the cinema. मैं सिनेमा गया हूँ. So हूँ is the present tense element that you'll put. So मैं सिनेमा गया, just like present simple, and then you'll put हूँ. मैं सिनेमा गया हूँ. I've been to the cinema. I've gone to the cinema. मैं मैक्सिको गई हूँ. I've been to Mexico. मैं मैक्सिको गई हूँ. So it is true and it is relevant in the present. So the past perfect tense describes the action in the past before another action in the past. So it's followed by another tense, another sentence using the past simple tense. So it's used when you're talking about a story or something. So I had gone to England. मैं इंग्लैंड गया था. मैं इंग्लैंड गया था. So it's similar to the past simple and the present perfect, but in the end we're going to put a past element, that is था. मैं इंडिया गया था. I had gone to India. मैं इंडिया गया था. मैं इंडिया गई थी. मैं इंडिया गई थी. पिछले साल मैं इंडिया गई थी. पिछले साल means last year. पिछले साल मैं इंडिया गई थी. I had gone to India. कल रात वो घर गए थे. कल रात वो घर गए थे. He had gone home last night. वो कल रात घर गए थे. वो कल रात बाहर गई थी. वो कल रात बाहर गई थी. She went out. She had gone out last night. वो कल रात बाहर गई थी. वो कल रात बाहर गई थी. That is it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So now I'm giving you a challenge. These are the 3 verbs, or you can choose any other action that you really like and conjugate it into 8 different tenses in the comment section. Can you do this challenge? I'll see you later, guys. Have a good day and goodbye.